Hello everyone, my name is Frank Coheley. I'm with Allied Telecom. First and foremost, I hope everybody is safe, staying indoors, and hopefully we can get through this rather quickly. But what I wanted to focus on today was we're all being forced to work remotely, so I had some tools that I'd like to share with everybody to give everybody a vision of what I'm doing with my remote work environment. These tools help me be just as efficient and productive as when I'm in the office. Okay, the first tool needs to be a laptop to help you do work on the run. Next is my all cloud communicator. This collaboration tool allows me to make and receive calls using my business identity and to collaborate with people inside and outside my organization. I also like to take my calls either on a Bluetooth speakerphone, or I also use a wired USB headset for superior sound quality. I also like to take my notes on my iPad. This is synced to a cloud account that I can access anywhere, even on my mobile device. So this is how I work remote. I hope this gives the vision on how we can make remote work for everybody. This is my boss calling. Everyone stay safe and we'll see you soon. Hello, this is Frank.